How to delete Cameos Selfie on Snapchat. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to clear Cameos Selfie on Snapchat. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Snapchat app. Then we should tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. Here we need to tap on the settings at the top right corner. And then we should scroll down and find account actions. Here we need to find option clear my camera selfie and tap on it. And then just confirm by clicking on clear. And that's all. It was how to delete camera selfie on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.